everybody.
Yeah! Hi everyone, in this video we'll be drawing a Valentine's cupcake. Oh, how lovely! All you need is something to draw with, some paper, and something to colour in with. Alright, let's get started.
So first we're going to draw the heart.
That's right, we're going to start with the heart, and it's going to be sitting on top of the cupcake, kind of like a decoration.
Yeah.
And to start off with, we are going to put, the heart's going to be a little bit tricky, but there is a quick trick to draw a good heart, or a nice shaped heart, I guess, is to put some reference points. Put two dots, one at the top and one at the bottom. So this one's going to be the bottom of the heart, and this is going to be the top of the heart. And then all you do is you start from the top, you make a nice big curve going up, kind of like you're making a circle, but it's kind of like a half a circle, and then you head back down to there. And you've done it the opposite way, but that's cool.
Looks like
so you can,
ears.
Yeah, it does look like ears. And you can do it start on either side, whichever's easiest. And then all you do is do exactly the same on the other side.
Yep.
There, like that. And there you go, there is your heart. Now what you can do, if you want to, you can draw
A face.
a little face. Yeah, I like drawing faces on things, so why don't we just draw a little face, and I'm just going to do a real simple, cute face. I'm just going to do mine with eyes closed like this, and maybe give it some eyelashes. I think that will give it some extra cuteness, like that. Yeah, and you can just draw a little bit. Oh, yours is winking, that's really cool. And you can draw a mouth like that. And you got some cheeks on there as well. That's a great idea. Like that. Great job. Alright. Next part we're going to start drawing is the icing. So we're going to start drawing the icing from here. We're going to draw one curve going to about here and then just stop. And then we're going to do one on the other side as well. We're going to try and stop kind of at the same point as well. Alright, so that's the top of the icing. Now the bottom of the icing, because normally you put icing, it's all kind of dribbling down the cake. So what we're going to do is, we're not going to draw a straight line, we're going to draw these little curves like that. And then you can make them all different sizes. Now you can draw some big ones, some small ones.
Yeah.
Kind of mix it up a little bit, make it interesting. And then keep going until you reach the end there. Yeah. And that looks like icing. It's kind of like a bit wavy and dribbling down. Yeah. Alright, next part is to draw some sprinkles on the cupcakes. Now, I like sprinkles. Do you like sprinkles?
Yes.
Yeah, I think everyone likes sprinkles. And all we're going to do is randomly just draw some circles. Yeah, like that. And just randomly fill them out. You can have as many or as few as you like here. And we'll colour those in later. Now also, to make the picture look a bit more three-dimensional, we're going to draw a couple on the side there as well. But we're only going to draw half of these sprinkles. So it looks like the sprinkles are going along the side and carry on down the back as well. Great. Alrighty, so next part we're going to draw is the little cupcake cup. A bit of a straight line like that. So the bottom half is going to be the cupcake, the little container that it sits in. And then we just need to close these little gaps here. You can just draw a line. You can make it slightly curved. And that's just the cake. Alrighty, so let's draw some another lines. Now we're going to bring the lines in a little bit.
Diagonal?
Yeah, put it diagonal a little bit. And we'll do the same on the other side. And we'll make them stop about the same point. If you want to use your finger, you can run it across there and use it as a bit of a guide. Cool, like that. And then all we need to do is close it off. That's the bottom of the cupcake there. And we're going to draw a nice curved line and join it up there, like that. Wow, that's looking really cool. Right, and the last thing we're going to draw is face. I love drawing faces on things, so let's draw a face. This one here, I think I'm going to keep my eyes open. And do the same on the other side. Now you can do yours differently. You can keep your eyes closed or you can make them smaller. It's really up to you. And I'm going to draw a mouth in here as well. Again, you can do different mouths. I'm going to do a smiley mouth like this. There I've just done a smiley mouth with his mouth open, showing his tongue. You can see Natasha has put some teeth in there, and you put some eyelashes on there as well. I am going to put some eyebrows on there. Alrighty, so there's our Valentine cupcake. How
Done.
lovely. Yes. Alright, the next part is to...
Colouring. And we're back.
Yes, we're finished colouring in our Valentine's cupcake.
Cupcake.
And I think they're looking pretty good. You think
Yeah.
they're looking good? Yeah. What I've done with mine is I have given mine strawberry frosting or icing, and I've made my sprinkles, rainbow sprinkles, so lots of different colours there as well, and lots of red because it's Valentine's, of course. And I've just made my lines a little thicker, and I've just added some highlights there as well, because cupcakes, you know, the icing is normally a bit shiny there as well. And what have you done with yours?
I added some highlights,
Yep.
and I said yum. And I also added vanilla icing with strawberry and watermelon with an ice cream and a button and another cupcake.
Yeah, there you go. So there you go. There's some ideas. You can colour it in any different way you like. You can add some extra bits and pieces there as well. So there you go. There's our Valentine's cupcake.
Done.
Done. Yummy. Well, thanks for watching. I hope you followed along and had lots of fun with us. Check out our channel. We've got lots of other fun videos for you to draw along with. Thanks for watching. Bye.